If your garage seems more like a black hole than a useful storage space, then it's time to make some changes. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have some tips for designing a well-organized garage.
Mallory Meistish, a home care expert at Angi, is here to walk us through her guide to garage storage.
If you want to make the most out of your garage, start by coming up with a storage plan. I recommend measuring and sketching out the space and then mapping out where you want to store different things. For example, you can designate different areas of your garage to different categories, like tools, sports equipment, or lawn care. Storing your items by category makes upkeep easier and can help you find things faster.
Even the perfect organization system can only go so far if you have too much stuff. So go through all your items in your garage and throw away or donate anything you no longer need. Then go through everything you're keeping and determine which category it falls under. Once you've categorized all your items into bins, shelves, or cubbies, label them so they're easier to find.
Your garage stores a lot of important items, some of which can be pretty heavy. Consider investing in sturdy metal shelves that allow you to stack those heavier items. It might also be helpful to put and install things like hooks, wall storage, or a workbench in your garage to help you organize those smaller tools. Pay attention to your natural habits to make the system easy to maintain. Ask yourself questions like, where do I tend to leave things that I use a lot? What am I always losing? And what are things that I need access to consistently?
And once you've finished organizing your garage, create a schedule to keep it that way. Maintaining a clean and organized garage will free up your time and allow you to focus on other things like spending time with family or enjoying hobbies. Your schedule will depend on how you use the space, so experiment and find something that feels right for you.
If you still don't know where to start, or if you're just too busy to worry about your garage, consider hiring a professional organizer. A pro can help you come up with an organization system that is perfect for your specific needs and your specific garage. They'll help set you up for success so you can have an organized garage for years to come.
Do you have questions about your home projects? We'll tweet them using the hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.